This 2016 Thor Motor Coach Palazzo 36.2 is a Class A RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features a Cafe Noir, Encore, mountain saw interior, sleeps 7, Slideout, and 95 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features Bunk Over Cab, rear bedroom. This 2016 Thor Motor Coach Palazzo 36.2 is built on a Freightliner XCS chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.